What's up everyone, welcome to Rare Liquid, and by this point you guys probably know the drill. This is update number 10 of 12 of my attempt at trying to go from 0 to $1 million in earned revenue in 12 months. If you've been following this journey, you know that we're pretty far away from the numbers and projections I set early on in this year in January when I set all these projections. But with that said, we had a pretty good month, so I'm excited to share with you guys what happened this month. With that said, today's agenda is very simple. I'll first be going over November's results, and then I'll go over some giveaway stuff. Alright, so first up, let's go over November's results. First off, in terms of subscribers, I fell far short of my goal of 335,000 and ended the month at 68,000 subscribers, which was actually a pretty big jump of about 16,000. YouTube ad revenue saw a pretty noticeable uptick to $5,060, and this was largely because a lot of the videos I posted in the first few weeks of November performed really well. Next up is Patreon, which also saw a pretty big jump to $9,455, which I also attribute to those videos that did well earlier on in the month. Next up is affiliates and sponsors, which went up meaningfully to $10,771, and this was across only 4 sponsorship videos during the month, and I have about 7 or so lined up in December, so I'm hoping that this number goes up a lot even more in December. Next up is courses, which rose ever so slightly to $780, and this is just me selling my resume and cover letter templates and guides, and I haven't been promoting this all that much. So in total, I fell far short of my goal, but I did make $26,065, which was a pretty huge jump from last month, so it was a pretty good month overall. Alright, next up, let me go into some stuff about giveaways. So in my last update, I asked you guys to guess what my revenue would be for this month, and Yiping Zhang was the person closest. So if that's you, just DM me on Instagram and I'll send you your $100. And for next month as well, same thing. If you just guess in the comments down below what you think revenue will be for the month of December, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll choose the person that's the most closest, and that person will win $150. So that pretty much wraps up the video, keeping it short and sweet, and I'll probably do a longer form like reflection and things like that in my 12th and final update. So with that said, thank you so much as always for watching. Hope to catch you in the next video. Thanks and peace out.